So friends, welcome to a new altcoin update video. Today we're going to take a closer look at Paul, formerly known as Matic. I promised you this over the last few days. I just prioritized other videos. That's why I thought, okay, I'll do it today. We're looking at the chart, what my forecast is for a potential bull run, short-term forecast, plus possible entry points. Of course, you'll definitely find out all of that today in the update video, so definitely stick around until the end. But before we start, feel free to give the video a like. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so yet. Feel free to rejoin the free Telegram talk and signal group if you're interested in updates, news, and signals. Feel free to join in. You can find the links for that for free down in the video description or in the comments section. And if you want to buy Paul or Matic, if you want to buy Matic, you can do that at my partner exchange BingX. There are some good bonuses available right now. By doing so, you're also supporting the channel, or rather me. Yeah, it was a bit difficult. Here, I had to figure out a chart since all the old charts have almost been deleted and I no longer have access. Based on my old forecasts, I had to completely rebuild a chart from scratch. We had our rally in the last few weeks from just under 30 US dollar cents up to around 77 US dollar cents. So there's been another steep price increase. From there, I drew the golden pocket, or I drew the FIB level, and we are currently right in the golden pocket, or even at the 200 SMA. From a daily perspective, I think it's a good time to keep an eye on this. Also for possible long positions here, especially when we take a look at the 4-hour time frame. The entire upward movement here from the last few days has been completely undone. The RSI is in the oversold area, so it doesn't look too bad for possible long positions. However, possible spot positions, you need to consider a bit more here. We still have a decent week here, or rather there. Here we are looking at a level that goes down to about 41 US dollar cents are going down. And that would also be the first next possible spot buying zone. So a longer term buying zone. It would also perfectly align with the former monthly pivot S1. And of course, there's also this larger demand zone that lies down here in the 0786. So that would be a larger buying zone here from 41 US dollar cents. The next one would be right here, our bottom from the 5th November, which we formed here. So just from the 5th November. Also here, our last low at around 17 June. That means the buying zone from 34 US dollar cents to about 28 US dollar cents. That was already our bear market buying zone. And that's why there would definitely be very good entry points down here for long-term investors. Definitely, that would be the worst case. Then altcoins would really have to see a huge dump again. But the altcoin, the sector, offers opportunities even though we don't have an altcoin season. Exponential opportunities. Time and again, you have to look at it that way too. Of course, we didn't have a strong altcoin season, but the price increases that have been possible time and again, it doesn't matter when you bought. Just think about it. We bought down here back then. We had a bigger season with a few X for sure. Then in March, this rally up to 130 again, X. You also have to take profit sometimes and not just hold until the end. You can perfectly hodl with altcoins or buy more. But this strategy also works with altcoins. And now you really have to take profit sometimes. And that's always where I believe many always have problems with this, especially in the altcoin sector, because they always think, yeah, 10, 20x are definitely possible here. That's not my strategy. I'm not set up for that either. I'm trying to provide you with potential buy zones and also share possible sell zones. The next one would be up here again at this top around 77 to 80 US dollars, where I would take the next profits. 100% that you could take. The second exit strategy would be a bit riskier than Mark to take the first profits between 91 and 95 US dollars. For a bull run top, I'm always pretty pessimistic about that. And to be honest, I still am. In this case, I only see 1/62 as a bigger take profit with the golden pocket. A larger consolidation. We had a lot of price action up here that could come in. And everything above that. After that, we have the chance to rise towards $3 or even $4. But as I said, I'm generally more pessimistic about altcoins. I'm approaching the whole thing a bit more calmly because I just thought to myself, wow, I don't want to create any FOMO or anything like that here. That's why it's better to take profits in stages and then just use the pullbacks again, because pullbacks always come back and you should take advantage of these opportunities and not just hope for them. Hey, we're aiming for at least 10x and only then will I exit. It's very, very important for me to say that, especially here with Polygon, you can really see it on the chart itself. The structure keeps looking similar over and over again. Are you buying Matic now? If you're already in, would you buy more? Feel free to write it down below. And of course, your price predictions and any other altcoin wishes you have, feel free to share those below. Good day, check Telegram. Have a nice